It looked like Ross on its worst day. It looked like Ross after Christmas. Really good. I love natural, modern, minimal, earthy, organic. They're probably going to drop me from the plan. No, they're not. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to do a haul. Now, I want to talk about my most disappointing experience at Nordstrom Rack. I've always been someone that loves Nordstrom Rack. When I have a little more money to play with or some fun money, I love going there because I know the price is going to be a little bit higher, but the curations, the selections are going to be like next level compared to like Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. You know, I love Nordstrom Rack. This Nordstrom Rack, honey, it looked like Ross on its worst day. It looked like Ross after Christmas. I mean, it was terrible. It was dark, it was dingy, the racks were overcrowded, and they only had 2 aisles of home goods. But I'm gonna show you what I got. Now, when I first got the receipt, it said $14. Actually, what did it say? $14.76. And I was like, oh, it's a mistake. So he's checking out. I got my receipt. I'm like, oh, he forgot to charge me for something. No, each item was 70% off. First item I got was this. Look how cute, you guys. Look. Oh my God. A punch of holograph. Anything holographic around your house, it just adds some whimsy. It just adds some je ne sais quoi. Like, I love a touch of holographic. Now, later on, we're going to style this. I'm going to get some camphor leaves from my front tree, and we're going to put this over here. And by the way, I'm going through something right now. Our bathroom is like on a halt because insurance only gave us $2,000 for the problem that I shared about in the last video. And out of that $2,000, guess how much my deductible is? $1,000. What am I going to do with $1,000? I told them to go take that $1,000 and shove it up their butts. Anyway, they're probably going to drop me from the plan. No, they're not. Okay, so anyway, so I got this because it's so like, to me, this next item is like Kelly Wearstler. I love Kelly Wearstler. She's like my favorite. And these 2 items totally remind me of her. I got this. Now, I wish it was bigger. Okay, I wish it was a little bit bigger. It's not, but I love the fluting. I love the smoked color. Now, you guys, you can easily get smoked glass from your glass supplier if you want like a new shelf, a new tabletop. You can ask for smoked glass. I never have, but if you want to add some smoked glass in some of your elements across the house, it looks really good. I love natural, modern, minimal, earthy, organic, but sometimes you want something with a touch of like gloss, not glam, gloss, or touch of like shine. I think these are perfect. Okay, so then that's all I got from Nordstrom Rack. Then I went to Home Goods. I know you guys love Home Goods hauls. Was this? So I have a cloche, a marble cloche with a really nice glass top for like muffins. And by the way, I have the best muffin recipe. You just take like a cup of honey and a whole stick of butter when you make your Jiffy cornbread. It's so good. You don't have to add any more honey, any more butter. It's just so delicious. Whenever I make them like for a party, like I went to a Friendsgiving, they were like a hit. It was like everyone ate their muffin. Anyway, so this is marble, has a cute scallop detail. When we do our kitchen remodel, it'll just go perfect in there. Because I'm actually mixing a lot of natural stone in my kitchen. It's going to be like 1 stone for the island, 1 stone for the counter, some maybe Zalige tiles on the back. It's going to be like mix and match, and it's going to look super, super pretty. Leanne Ford, the designer, if you ever pick up her magazine or watch any of her videos, she does a lot of mixing of stones, and it looks really nice. Okay, so I got that. You guys are going to love this. So I think I might give this as a gift. Maybe not, because it matches the cake stand, but look at this. Just a little tray. So like for Christmas, you could put it on the middle of the table. And by the way, I'm going to do a whole Christmas table, and I'll put like a video or some photos when I do it on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, same name. But anyways, I'm going for like this plaid tablecloth, plaid napkins, green plates, and brown candles. So I got this, and I could put some of the food or even anything display, you know, using this, or I can just use this on my kitchen island. Just really pretty stone. I feel like I should give this as a gift. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. I think it's quartz. What does this say? Oh, look how pretty. I know someone would like to have this as a present. What is it made out of? Well, it's made in India, of course. They have a lot of stone. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's quartz. pretty, right? It's like see-through. I love it. So I got that. It would look pretty in the bathroom too. And I also got another one. So I got two. Actually, this one looks a little darker. I got two trays. Love them. I might have to give those away as Christmas gifts. Okay. Then to go with my Christmas table, remember I showed you. So I have the brown ornaments to go on the brown tree. So the kids want me to bust out that bushy tree. I want to get another sparse tree for down here, but I'm going to let the kids decide. They want the bushy tree. So I got brown velvet ornaments to go on the bushy tree, bushy Christmas tree. And then I got brown candles to go on the table. And I think this will look really nice with the plaid. I also want to show you, I got a couple more things. So I got these bowls. I don't know why. I think I only got them because they were $7.99. I got those bowls. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the price of these trays, $19.99 each. So cute present for only 20 bucks. I think anyone will love those. But for my daughters, I got two of these. And these are like, okay, so my generation, I'm the Sanrio generation. I remember when I was young, I could only afford one thing from the store. I could only afford like one thing from the store. And I was young. This is in San Francisco. I grew up, inner city kid. Even though I went to private school, it was like scholarship. So I went to like a really like one of the most expensive schools in my city, but I was there on scholarship. So it was kind of different. But I remember they had a Sanrio store downtown. And I remember like being like 11 years old, even trying to steal from there. And I got caught. And the lady was like really nice. She was like, just don't do it again. I was like, okay. But yeah, I never could afford anything from Sanrio, like no pretty pencils, no pretty pens, no notebooks, maybe like one thing, because each thing was like $5 to $10 back in the day, back in the 80s. That's a lot of money. So yeah, I got these. Actually, the girl was just sitting on the side of the road selling these, and I decided to stop by and support her little small business. I love supporting people on their small businesses, because back when I had my Etsy shop, people supported mine, and I really appreciate that. Anyways, these also come with a matching straw. Then I got this from, do you ever watch, see, I like watching people do makeup, even though I don't really wear makeup. I'm terrible at putting it on. So Hung Van Gogh, he uses this Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Now, I'm not into wearing mascara, but I think eyeliner looks really pretty. So I got this.